Ladies and gentlemen, what we have is square roots. That is what we want to look at. We'll look at the square roots of these numbers. We'll solve them one by one. And we will see that there is nothing difficult in getting the square root of numbers. So, what is square root? The square root of any number is a number that you can multiply 2 times to get that number. Any number that you can multiply 2 times to get a particular number is the square root of that number. So let's take the first one. If you are getting the square root of 4, you ask yourself, which number can you multiply 2 times to get 4? That is what? 2. So 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give you what? 4. So that means square root of this 4 will give us 2. You just pick one out of it and remove the square root. It will become what? 2. If you want to find square root of 9, you ask yourself, which number will multiply 2 times to give you 9? That is what? 3 times 3 will give us 9. So you just pick 1. That is 3. So that means square root of 9 is 3. If you want to get square root of 16, which number will multiply 2 times also to give you 16? That is 4. So you have 4 times 4. So that means square root of 16 will be what? 4. Then next is 25. Which number will multiply 2 times to give you 25? That is 5. So you have that 25, square root of 25 is 5 times 5, which will give us what? Square root of 25 will now be what? 5. Then if you are finding square root of 36, which number will multiply 2 times to give you 36? That is 6. So you have that square root of 36 is square root of 6 times 6. Therefore, square root of 36 will simply be what? 6. Then which number will you multiply 2 times to give you 49? That is 7. So you have square root of 7 times 7. Therefore, square root of 49 is 7. Then which number will multiply 2 times to give you 64? That is 8. So you have square root of 8 times 8, giving you what? The square root of 64 is equal to 8. Which number will multiply 2 times to give you 81? That will be square root of 9 times 9. And that will give you what? 9. Which number will multiply 2 times to give you 100? That is what? 10. That means square root of 100 will be what? 10. So, I hope you have understood everything. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. And I would like you to attempt the remaining questions. And as well, also find square root of 1. Square root of 121, 144, 169, and square root of 1. And drop the correct answer in the comment section. Thank you for participating.